to another taste test. I found a new Asian supermarket and there were so many interesting things to see. So I bought some bits and bobs. In fact, I bought 5 different, I think it's all snacks and yeah, it's from Korean companies and they all looked so interesting, so I thought let's try it together. Let's start with the most foreseeable ones. I guess they taste nearly the same and they will be good. So let's start with this. So I found this. This is I can't read it, but I guess it's Lay's. And these are crisps. So I can't read anything. So this is for you. You can Google translate it if you pause. But for me, it looked like, although there is a translation on the back for us Germans. So these are crisps made out of potatoes, extra crunchy with nori taste. So with these algae. Yeah. So let's find out if they look exactly like this, because this looks like there is some nori taste inside it. Oh, there are some, these are also inside, some nori rolls. And then they look exactly like the ones on the packaging. Maybe, yeah, a bit paler. I expected a good crunch and I expected saltiness and nori taste, and I enjoy nori. So this one was on the safe side. Let's try those rolls, those nori rolls. Oh, they are also crunchy, so they are not, well, they look like this. They look like this. They are a bit sweet. This is a surprise. Wow, 10 out of 10. I love this. These are great. So the Lay's Max crisps with nori taste. Then I found something similar, so we are still on the safe side. These are corn crisps, also with seaweed flavor. Yeah. Do we know the company? Imported product of Thailand. Oh, what is this a product of Thailand? This is also a product of Thailand. This is also a product of Thailand, and I don't know which company it is, but maybe it's Corny. This is not giving seaweed vibes. I think only maybe corn, maybe. I don't know. Let's dive into it. They look really crunchy. You know, these, they are called bugles somewhere on our lovely earth. Okay, when you're not on the seaweed side as me, they will taste better for you, because you can't taste the seaweed as fully as in this one. Yeah, but it's still super crunchy, super tasteful. I would go for a 9 out of 10 because I'm missing a bit the seaweed flavor. Let's move on. I'm not sure if we are still on the savory side or are we going sweet. I don't know. So this is a sesame snack. It's from Korea. And it looks like this. This is a very, very nice packaging, in my opinion. This is giving sesame. And they look exactly like on the packaging. Another crispy one. This is crispy as its best. So it's sweet. They have sugar in it. So it's starch syrup, artificial sesame. Oh, it's not real sesame? Artificial sesame. Wheat, salt, raising agent E500 II. Sugar, oh, it's 1.5% sesame seeds. This is surprising. Okay, so all these little seeds we see are not sesame seeds, only for the flavor. I guess one seed in one bar or something. Oh, I'm not a fan of artificial things. I mean, I can tell that there's not a lot of sesame inside. You're only having a distance flavor in the mouth. Well, okay, so I wouldn't buy them again, but I will eat them, knowing that they are not good. Okay, well, but it's a good crunch and it's a nice treat. Let's say it like this. Next one we have is a sweet potato base, I guess. It's called, so it's from Family Farm, Basajago almond. Okay. I don't know how it looks. Let's see. Crispy sweet potato and almond snack. Okay. So there is sweet potato inside and also almonds. That's good. Okay. And this is a product from Korea as well. Okay, this is not a nice smell at the beginning. Can't tell. Plastic or something like this. Okay, so these are. Okay. I thought it's a layered thingy, but this is the front view. So it looks like this. It's very thin. It's made out sweet potato. Okay, I guess they are doing slices and then they do something with it. It still doesn't smell nice. Very crunchy. It's not bad. It's I mean, I sometimes order sweet potato fries, and when they are super crunchy from the outside, I enjoy it very much. It's a bit of a healthy snack. Maybe that's why it's called Family Farm. Yeah, is there sugar inside? No. So it's only almonds, and then I guess they are roasted. And this is the magic they are doing. It's not bad. It's really nice. So it's a healthy snack. Let me give it an 8 out of 10 because not sure if I rebuy it. Have I given you something about this? No, I guess so. So after looking on the back on the ingredient list, I was a bit disappointed. So I would go for a 4 out of 10. Last thing is this one. How could I not take it with me? I love watermelon and I love cotton candy. And then we have cotton candy in a bag with a watermelon flavor. Of course, there are a lot of E's in the ingredient list, but this was to be expected. So the company is called Sugar Ollie Cookie Crunch. Okay, this comes also from Korea. I'm sorry if you hear it, but the cleaning guys are in the hall. Sorry for that. Smells sweet. Okay, this is one cotton candy cake. Oh, it looks the same. Look at this. Okay, this smells sweet and it looks like a cartoon watermelon. Okay, this is the first thing which is not crunchy today. Well, what should I say? It's cotton candy. A very artificial one out of a bag, but it's still nice. I mean, it's sweet. It's giving everything that's in front of the packaging, I would say. So this is what we expected, and it's sweet. It has a hint of watermelon flavor, so artificial watermelon flavor, and it's cute. It's cute. It's a one-time treat, I guess, because it's super unhealthy with all the E's on the back. But other than that, very good. Let's give it because of expectation management, an 8 out of 10 because of all the E's, but I expected the E's, so it's okay. That's it for this taste test. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do that down below by clicking on the bell. No, not on the bell. Is it? So by clicking on the subscription box, and then we will see us very soon. Stay safe and take care. Bye.